Okay, Stella, good morning. How you dey?
Fine.
You say you wan come talk to your people,
Yes, so make they help
make
me.
dem help you.
Yes.
So you talk to them. Wetin happen and how as e take happen?
Abeg o, I need una help my people, my Nigeria people. Abeg, I lead down. Na good afternoon. I need una help because I need do surgery
You na from where?
from Nigeria, Benin City. I need do surgery.
And where you dey so?
I dey Italy,
For where for Italy?
Verona.
So na Verona na we dey so. You come meet me say you get problem.
Yes.
You go fit talk to them make them still know wetin e be.
Abeg, the problem when I get, I do heart surgery. The heart surgery when I do now, just dey go to a year. So never too tey now, I come still lost my husband. I lost my husband. From there now, I come see say sickness, another sickness come again. The thing dey waka for my body since then. Some of my friends they know because they see they tell me say send message go home and do mercy for you. They don bring mercy. I don eat, I don tire, I no gree finish. Now na something dey move for my body, all my body go dey break, my head go dey break, my body go dey net, I come dey small. So the thing, I don waka hospital, they no see anything. Abeg my people, I wan go home, I go solve the problem. Abeg, I no get money, I no get any money for ticket. Na only government that dey give me small money for dey eat. We eat morning food, afternoon they pursue us, the money they pursue us comot. We go outside anyhow wey you taste food eat, na you come know. Before the evening we go enter house again. Please my people, I need una help. On my knee I need una help. I wan go house. Make I go solve this problem for myself. Make I no die for Italy. Abeg, una help me. Abeg. Una do well.
Una do well o my people. Una don hear wetin our sister talk. May I explain am well? Some years ago, e never don reach 2 years. Na one of Asia plus one of my friend, my sister come carry her come meet me because I dey help many people. I dey take some go hospital, any problem wey dem carry come, I dey always help them do am. So na this my sister come carry Stella, the sister wey sit down with me, so na she be this. So e come carry am come where I dey. Wetin dey happen? E say e no well. We come say okay, make e go hospital. As e come go hospital, na there they come detect say hole dey her heart. So God so kind, after some time they come help am. Inside this period, so she no fit pay house rent. Me now, my house full, I no fit put am for house. We come see help am, government come give am where to dey sleep. Na where to dey sleep na she dey now. Wetin oyibo dey call dormitory. Dem go enter sleep in the evening, in the night reach morning. Morning dem give dem tea and biscuits. E go out. In the evening e go come back. So where e go during the day, e no come concern dem. So now we come say at times make she dey come our women center here come relax because she no fit go work. She newly do the operation for the heart. Now after operation of heart now something say dey follow im back. He said the something wey he dey explain to me. He said the something go be like animal wey e open mouth. Abi?
Yes.
E go dey eat all inside the body, and e come make am dey small. She no come get body again. So and she dey say she wan go home. How she go take go home? Here na keke napep no dey, bike no dey go. Na flight na go take go. She get all the necessary documents, but she no get money to take buy ticket. And she come dey cry for where I dey. Now say the only thing wey I fit do, make we do live video, make we still take talk to our people, make God touch their hearts, make una help am. I go put her phone number on top of this. I'll put her phone number for this video wey we dey do so. So anybody wey get help wey you wan do, una fit call her Now talk to her. When number where you want? I will take on bring your number. Come out now. Go bring her. Make you tell them your number. I beg my people. Make we be our brother's keeper. I beg. Imagine person wey dem detect say hold dey her heart. She no go fit work now. She no go fit work. But government don do their own part to take help am. When she even come meet me, now I no get money to take help you, but the only way I fit help, make we come out for live video. I go still do make am do another video wey I go still send to other presenter for social media, make dem see announce am, make dem help am. Her number na idene Ogumeka Gbone 320-867-56 idene why na be we na head idene abeg go make I find as e no still come out finish. Why now? E dey WhatsApp, no be in dey WhatsApp. So I'll bring her number later because we no fit find the number now. I beg my people, if you see this video, mona share am, mona for take help this our sister. See am, sister Stella. I beg o, na Benin e come from for Nigeria. I beg, mona help am o. Okay. Okay. 26, okay. Stella, okay. I don't feel write her phone number come out. 320-8675-626. I go still write am on top of this video. 320-8675-626. People wey no dey Italy, wey you see one reach am na +39320-8676-75626. Abeg, anybody dey wey you see don see this kind sickness, if you know where dem go fit help am, make una still call am, describe am to am, where she go, the village she go, or if na here sef, the wetin she go take explain to dem for hospital, because oyibo dem no believe say dem dey get spiritual problem. According to her, she say the way the something take dey waka for her body, she don explain to dem for hospital. Dem say dem no know the something, and so the whole thing e just get as e be. My people, abeg make we help her. I see una still dey help other people. Now I see say make e come see talk am by herself. Abeg, she need our help. Our sister Stella, she need our help. She's from Nigeria, she's from Benin City. She dey find who go help her. She won't go home, no money to buy ticket. She get all the necessary documents. She need money to buy ticket. She need money to buy ticket. She need money, small money where she go see hold for hand. Her family now, they no still get. Talk less, we go say make them bring money from home for her. E get as e be for am. Abeg, who knows say e go fit help? Na the Stella na im be this. Gbagbenu gin abeg we say. Gberago bobo don no show we say. Una see am, this na person wey be get body, all ikebe go dey move about. Turn your back, make them see. See am, she no come get body again. She no come get. Abeg, we go still do another video again. Maybe if not be today, another day. I want to dey do and make many people dey see am. Abeg, if una get any help una wan do, I have done first. If you replay this video, you go see her phone number +39320-8675-626. Stella na be her name. Abeg, she need our help. E no good make she die before we go come dey cry o. As she dey alive so she still dey breathe. Abeg make we help her. Abeg make we help her. Na that one she just dey take cry. Mama, he no wan die. Mama, he no wan die. Now say you no die in Jesus name. But before we go say you no die in Jesus name, e still good wetin we go fit do make we still take do to take help her. I dey see una dey help other people. Now see say make I bring her. Na Italy for Verona here. Na she dey. Do igbegun yan gwan. Wo wu ehege nene mi.
I beg my people, the way this something they do me, go dey waka for my back like snake. Go don open him mouth. Go open him mouth. Something big. Go open him mouth. Go don bite me. After he bite me finish, I go just say my body go dey melt. I go dey small. I go dey small. Go dey waka for my body. Go dey waka for my body. I don't know how this something take enter my body. I mean, I don't see never to tell where that January now I still lose my husband. It's not that January now everything start. Now this problem does start. Prayer, practice it go finish for prayer. All those man of God, they don't pray, practice it go finish. But I can't be say I can't live more. I mean, I not go die for Italy here. Now I say make I go home. I beg, wanna help me. I beg. Now small show now they do what they pay us what they eat before my husband come see late. So I beg. I need to help. I beg.
Now say my people. He say me be no remember to talk that one. January here na her husband die. January dem marry. He never quick her born for the man. She never even get belle because all this sickness na she dey face since then. Abeg whoever wey go take fit help una help her. Any money e no one too small wey una take help her. Her phone number +39 320 86 75 626. Abeg make una help her. Anything wey una know so una fit take help her. Abeg make una help her. Na Verona for Italy na she dey. Na Verona na me with am dey for talk so. E don take wey person introduce am to me. By then e get heart problem. They come detect say hole dey her heart. God so kind, doctor for Italy here now, they don help her, they don do operation for her, they don cover the hole. They say she go fit live if even 100 years. But e no tey now, something come dey move inside her body. Who see am dey talk like this? You feel say because the first day wey she dey talk to me, I say you well so, your head correct so. But when I come really look her say, no be as I take know am before. No be before she do heart surgery. I know as e be. After he do her surgery finish, all him body come out. He nyash even dey shake sef. After some time when me come see am again now, all the body don go. Abeg if una get any means to take help her. Her name na Stella from Benin City, Nigeria. Abeg make una help her. Any way wey una take fit help her. Abeg she wan go home. She don try many man of God. Some bring oil, some bring water, some bring many things. Even some now dey demand some even dey demand ram. Some even dey demand ram. If you no fit bring the ram, make it come pay almost 200 and something, 250. And she no get even 1 euro for hand. If not be government wey come put am for where to sleep. Una see, me don still try for am o, because when she come to me, I direct am go this office, go here. Na dem come take carry am for hospital so, where dem come do operation for am. Come give am where to go, where she go dey sleep. People wey dey Verona wey know me, dem know say if to say me even get free space wey bed dey, I say make she come dey stay with me, but I no get. Where she dey na dormitory, where she go sleep for night. In the morning she go comot go dey zozo dey waka everywhere. before I come see tell her now say they come our women center here because our women center Casa de Ramia, if you feel come you go come relax in the evening go where you dey go. Then go even you go if you get money you go buy food cook it. She no get shishi. Na a person anybody wey cook now go say come eat abeg she need really help make she go home make as she dey say na spiritual problem now if e be say e go home all this problem dem go fit solve am for home. She get document abeg mona help her may I show am well na see her face na Stella na be her name okweso well oye no dakiteme wala ho veje dota ni aya en go biedo bia give we he go me we ni ana na be ma agwan
wala wo no ma me robe verona no ma me be no gara no ma me be vizola agboya eme ivu eke na bi awe benala na bi awe soro no ma eme ro
si aga go dokere
no ma eme ro na problem no kwa o yan me iwaje problem no kwa o yan me ji imete wo for since January e ya zare man of God na ku eru jo me gbegbe o fo ni e worry me do ga na go na pass be careful na me ajugwa wala no emi go lekere
emi
go lekere emi no polo gbe wala wowo e di take aje wala o no da for me ya go since January e problem na ya sun iwe ha surgery e je plus ojena imaye situa ona na be do dejo no wa logo me na wa me wa dey important so ne mi wa back on mu me dey nye ni me no kun o wa back on mu me back on mu me ne o wa si me tata o na me o la lo me atufin je ibi wa to ta egbe me a meti wa la o iri o wa maybe I so wa o so na ma ugu me e pastor we ya fe yan go di go be na ya neru eso we mu ran mi na ya zese mi na we ona seme egbe ne eti me ni wa dada ikobo epin na be ri me 200 na be ri me be ri yo wa abe ya wukun ogun me ma ese 3 months na so ari go me na wala o ni wala o ime ri yo wala wa ge me wi bu e abe teme ni ku wala wo wa gun me wuji tale wala o boda me wala o ke me na to la diana wala o
Wow, Tenipo, wow, well say, oh, thank you for listening. It's not a joke. I want to appreciate everybody watching me. Mebelomon, Robert, thank you. Domenica Simpson, thank you. Star Felicia, thank you. Peace Joe, thank you. And for those that I'm not seeing that are watching me, thank you. Please share this video, help share this video so that many people will see it, that she's really sick. She's really sick. I knew her some, let me say, a year and a half ago when she was very sick too. After going 2 years now, 2 years plus I knew her. She was very sick. She was even going from one pastor to another before I said, let's go to the hospital. Getting to the hospital, they detect that she has a hole in her heart. Thank God now, a year plus now, they have solved that one for her by operating on her, closing the hole in the heart. Now she lost her husband this last January 2025. She lost her husband, a very young guy like that, because she's very young too.
Going to 50 now.
Okay, she says she says she's going to 50. She's not up to, but she's a young girl. I know she's a young girl, so please, let's help her. Oh, please help her. Anything at all, she want to go back home, so that as people are telling her that it's spiritual problem, all the pastors she has called, they're always saying it's spiritual problem. I think something of the spirit must be solved in the spirit way. The hospital cannot detect anything spiritual. So that is why me too, I signed that she can really go back home. After solving her problem, if she want to come back, she can come back because she have her documents, everything intact. She has a 5 years document. I think only 1 year is just off from it now. She still have 4 years. She can go home, spend 6 months, spend a year. After her problem is solved, she can come back. Her phone number is +39 320 8675 626. Please, let's help Stella. I don't want to lose her. It's not good we lose her. She's very young and still have many years ahead of her. She will still marry Abi. Why you be your daughter? If she's okay, because the husband wey first die, he never born for her. So she need to still marry, have her children. But all this one go fit happen when she's well and okay. She want to go home, but with what can she go home? She has to buy tickets. She has to buy tickets. That is why we are calling on all of you to please, anything you have, you can call her, you can send it to her. She can, if you discuss with her, she can tell you the means you can send the money to her. Immediately she has enough to buy her ticket. She will go to where they sell ticket. She will buy and go. When she's going, I will still bring her here to thank all of you and tell you people that she's going back to Nigeria. I beg go, Mona help her, beg. Let's help Sister Stella. We don't want to lose her. You have seen her, and I want to show her again. This is Sister Stella. Get up and let them see you again. Go dress back. Imagine, she's a very beautiful young lady. She needs our help. I beg. Show a face you will. We are not playing, oh. This is no content, oh. Not be content, oh. She really need our help. Look at her face. She really need our help. This one not be content, oh. She need our help. She need our help. So let's help her. Let's help her. Please, anything you have to help her. Now, when something is biting her, she will start using her hand to knock all parts of her body. Walaho, wagia wijo bone, walaho. Ebi kemin wari amen waya wijo bone. Emani ogwe mani re Verona ya ni bun enye. Ire no gara ni wala wo.
Ya eme shodo kabi awu kele ni ya live. Walaho. Stella walaho. Why do you
Okay, oh, ma, ben I have a task and I will say,